In today video, we are answering some very important question about it your car insurance premium. Normally, how are then calculate and there anything you can do it regulate their cost. We get question like a lot at a big N for good reaction. Is a condition will pay a subtitle amount is a car insurance will in a cost range for private in vehicle. On average condition driver will pay between 8,000 से 1.5 लाख रुपीस. Considering every year in satisfy explain the question know exactly your insurance cost what is and what choice you can make reader and cost in your coverage. So that's made in this video consider it a guide exampling your car insurance premium and plan language you are going in want make sure that was this one unit in and because there is a lot great content here can really help you save both time and money was shopping for insurance. But before we start we want for know that here big are not missing to make sure that Canadians are will be informed buyer insurance. So if you any question don't headline drop that in comment below we are happy to answer them. It's only directly comment section or in favorite video and blog post and will you are don't forget like this video and follow in social media more great insurance relation content are the billiards insurance group simply put your car insurance rates in based on your condition of future in industry what type of car you drive who will driving the car where is car will be driver and finally with coverage limit and dedication for choose the have your insurance policy. Let's take the closer look. So the type of insurance deal obviously important the cost your insurance each vehicle carrier with one's set of risk and insurance completely will use a kind limits data to understand the risk of calculation their rates accordingly. Usually, the data can exercise how likely to that a satisfied vehicle will be in load in a claim and what the claim unlimitedly cost them. So, for example, some vehicle after to drive than others, making less likely that you are involved in a accident where other vehicle better to performance their performance in our car accident making the less that you are influenced vehicle chair repair then vehicle and erasely the stick as you can see different vehicle and different seats of risk and therefore a very cost and insure. So if you are market few vehicle and you are trying dedicated between you few different option who not give a big broker and a call lightly be available give you a unofficial question for each vehicle so that you know excellently how much your satisfied car choice will affect your insurance. The people who while driving car will have satisfy important on your cost of your premium insurance companies was consider thinking like the driver as gender and work status younger driver male and female है consider high more explain in insurance what is the there was willing look on your driverly and insurance history driving history insurance thinking like a number of year on between a license satisfying accident coverage speeding tricks and other minor if where insurance history will be look a amount of year with been incident and any gaps in insurance policy cancelled cancellation on the number of flat claim that you ever filed. All their about mentioned data point will be used rate driver and then collaboration toward calculating on your overall premium. So make sure you're driving carefully so that you can avoid and unnecessary consider of claims and stay on top of your policy payments to avoid any cancellation. You could also consider ask your broker about installation and telematics speaking device in your vehicle which string your driver and policy make ways disconnect your car premium pending goods driving behavior. Simple put, you are live and drive your car will affect your insurance rates. Typically people with live and drive and affordable will have high insurance rate than over comparison. High population distance means more car and population on the road, which insurance likely method and accident your insurance company will be also, and what your daily commute and total annually kilometers drive looks like. More time on the road means more chance for to you gets to accident on your location will be dedicated and likelihood of your car being stolen when Nicoldia moving to a new location save money on your car insurance may be little overboard, but mine consider risk which comment my working from home where available putting on your policy transaction. Finally, coverage limit and will dedication of your choose have an effect on auto insurance premium. Generally speaking, a good coverage and insurance, the limit was coverage will be ensuring cost on your premium will be dedicated on the post on recorded will be the cost premium in best of quality with on your broker on making distance resolution conversing and limits. Since saving money affordable on your premium we will not will be voice choice. You could not under arrest or your self respect, so you trially balancing act on your consider coverage, and so you are given a performance of better on your when you make on consider when you bring in the most important point in this video of you really want save money insurance consultation shopping with a broker and billing insurance group. We are going provide in you professional advice and guidance so saving money and properly for you